Hello YouTube, this is another video of Use Your Scraps Up that I'm doing with Lesley. I can't remember what week it is it week 3 or 4? I can't remember, I think it's week 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scraps to make rosettes up. So I've just got my punch, my scallop punch, and I'm just going to punch out a scrap piece of card. Oop. There's a fly. Let's put that in the bin. It's very humid today, extremely humid. So I've punched them out because I was making little Minnie Mouse, or Mickey Mouse you could say, rosettes for a flat mail swap that I'm doing in the craft group that me and Lesley are admin. So I've just got a strip here. It's one of the strips that I've had left over. I'm just cutting it. I'm just going to cut a little there. You will be able to hear some clicking. That's my son in the background because, as you know, it's the school holidays in the UK. And my daughter's gone out with my husband. And me and Aaron went shopping before for back to school supplies for him, and I also got the Poundland Dulux tripod. So,
and she got some printer stuff.
Yeah, and I've got some printer stuff because Wilkinson's, thank you Aaron, because Wilkinson's have got a sale on the printer ink cartridges, and seeing as I'm absolutely in love with Itsy at the minute, I thought it'd be sensible to get some more ink. So I've just put fishtails into them. I'm just going to glue them together. Does anybody else use Itsy for downloads? I absolutely love it. Love, love, love Itsy now. So you just glue them together. Pop, I should have a mat under here. And pop that on the top, glue it down. So you've got that, like a little rosette. Oh, I don't like that. No. And then because I was doing Disney, this is I will do a video of the swap that I did, that I've made. I've put these little Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse, whatever you want, heads on, just to embellish them. Oop. Try and drop it in the centre. So that is another way of using up your scraps. Make up little rosettes that you can embellish things with. I think these are quite nice. They're quite small, they're quite dinky, they're not massive. They'll be nice on the pocket mails and the flat mails because they're not too bulky, as you can see, with the little resin piece on. They're from China. You get a bulk of them for a ridiculously low price. Ordered via eBay, in case anybody wanted to order any of them. And they do all different colours. I have got pink ones somewhere, but you know, when you come to do a swap and you try and dig all your stuff out ready, and you can't find them, so you can't actually use them. Lesley, if you want to go to Lesley's channel and scroll down the videos, she is doing a challenge yourself to make your own scrapbook kit. And she would like people to join her collaboration. So if anybody would like to join Lesley's collaboration and make your own scrapbook kit, then I'm sure she'll be thrilled to have you over there. So go and pop over to Lesley's channel and find the make your own scrapbook kit if you want to do that challenge with her. And that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.